Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can send SOS messages on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from your home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to swipe up to go down. And in here, tap on safety and emergency. On this screen here, tap on send SOS messages. Tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you want to make sure that you turn on send SOS messages. Next, you can set the press the side key to 3 times or 4 times. Then we go down to auto call someone. In here, you can choose who to call. Now, this option is only available after you have choose send messages to. So let's go to the attach pictures. So in here, you can choose to automatically include attached pictures or not. So it's attached pictures taken using the front and rear camera. So if you turn this one on before the text message will get sent out, it will quickly take a photo using the front and the back camera on your Galaxy S22 series. Next is the audio options. Okay, so you'll be able to attach audio recording. It can attach a 5-second audio recording. So again, before the phone send out your text messages, it will attempt to use the microphone to record your surrounding sound for up to 5 seconds. And finally, tap on send messages to. In here, you can choose who to send it to. So you tap on the add button and then choose to create a new contact or select from contacts. In here, you can go down the contact list and select a contact that you want to use. Then tap on done. Alright, if there is any contact in here that you want to remove, you can tap on the delete button at the top. Then select the contact that you want to remove and tap on the delete button at the bottom. And that's it. So now that we have set up your send SOS messages, when you need to send out SOS messages, you just need to press on the button 3 or 4 times depending on your settings. So here, if I press on the side button quickly 3 times, 1, 2, 3, you can see here it said SOS messages will be sent to incoming call and person 2 in 5 seconds. So you can cancel. So you can cancel if you accidentally press on the button, or if you change your mind, you can always tap on the send button. If you don't cancel, then it will proceed to send out your SOS text messages. So I'm just going to go back into settings, and in here I'll remove some contacts. So I'm just going to remove this contact, tap on delete, and again, if I press on it 3 times quickly, you need to do it fairly quick. If you do it too slow, it will turn off the screen instead. So here, if your phone have credits and you can make outgoing text messages, you can see the camera will just activate it and it will take a photo of the front and the back, and then it will try to send out a text message. Now, because my phone do not have credits, so it will not be successful in sending out text messages. But you can see here it will say locations of my current locations. It will show my current locations, and it also shows the attached recent photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.